In the vast and mysterious depths of our oceans, hidden among countless creatures, lives one of nature's most extraordinary beings. It is so small that it can rest on the tip of a human finger, yet it carries within its fragile body a secret that challenges our understanding of life itself. Its name is Turritopsis dohrnii, but most know it by a far more captivating title, the immortal jellyfish. This tiny creature has the remarkable ability to reverse its own aging process, a biological trick that has fascinated scientists and storytellers alike. Today, we will journey into its world, exploring its biology, its role in the ecosystem, and the profound questions it raises about life, death, and the possibility of immortality. Turritopsis dohrnii belongs to the Hydrozoa class, a group of small, delicate jellyfish. Its bell-shaped body measures only 4 to 5 millimeters across, transparent and almost invisible in the water. At its center lies a crimson stomach, and around its edges extend dozens of fine, hair-like tentacles. Though it appears fragile, this jellyfish is a predator, feeding on plankton, fish eggs, and tiny larvae. With specialized stinging cells called nematocysts, it paralyzes its prey before drawing it into its stomach. In the grand scale of the ocean, it may seem insignificant, but its survival strategy is unlike any other. Most jellyfish follow a predictable life cycle. They begin as larvae, settle on the seafloor as polyps, and eventually transform into free-swimming medusae, the adult form we recognize as jellyfish. Once they reach maturity, they age and die, completing the cycle. But Turritopsis dohrnii has discovered a loophole in nature's design. When faced with stress, injury, starvation, or the natural decline of aging, it does not simply perish. Instead, it performs a biological miracle. The adult medusa reverts back to its juvenile polyp stage, essentially turning back the clock. Its cells undergo a process called transdifferentiation, in which specialized cells transform into entirely different types. Muscle cells can become nerve cells can become reproductive cells, and so on. This extraordinary flexibility allows the jellyfish to regenerate itself, starting life anew. In theory, this cycle can repeat endlessly, granting the creature biological immortality. Of course, immortality in nature is never absolute. The immortal jellyfish can still fall victim to predators, disease, or environmental hazards. Yet its ability to escape aging sets it apart from nearly all other animals. It is not invincible, but it is ageless. This distinction has made Turritopsis dohrnii a subject of intense scientific interest. Researchers hope that by studying its cellular mechanisms, they might uncover clues relevant to human medicine. Could we one day learn to reprogram our own cells, reversing the effects of aging or repairing damaged tissues? Could cancer treatments benefit from understanding how cells change identity without losing control? These questions remain open, but the jellyfish offers a tantalizing glimpse of what might be possible. The story of Turritopsis dohrnii begins in the Mediterranean Sea, where it was first identified in the late 19th century. For decades, it was considered just another small jellyfish, until scientists in the 1990s discovered its astonishing ability to revert to earlier stages of life. Since then, it has spread far beyond its native waters, hitching rides in the ballast tanks of ships and establishing populations in oceans around the world. Today, it can be found in tropical and temperate seas, quietly continuing its cycle of renewal beneath the waves. To understand the significance of this creature, we must look closely at its cellular biology. Transdifferentiation, the process that allows its cells to change identity, is rare in nature. In most animals, once a cell has specialized, becoming a muscle cell, a skin cell, or a nerve cell, it cannot change its role. But in Turritopsis dohrnii, this rule is broken. Its cells retain a remarkable plasticity, enabling the jellyfish to reorganize its body and return to a youthful state. This process resembles the way stem cells function in humans, offering scientists a natural model for studying regeneration. By decoding the genetic signals that trigger this transformation, researchers hope to unlock new approaches to medicine, from tissue repair to anti-aging therapies. If you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.